Okay, so here we have another question of coordinates geometry. This question is from November 2015, paper 1, question 22. According to this question, the coordinates of P is 1 minus 3 and Q is the point 7, 2. So find the coordinates of the midpoint of PQ. So to find the midpoint, we will use the midpoint formula, that is x is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and similarly y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So here, as we have two coordinates P and Q, we will consider these coordinates as x1 y1 and x2 y2. Now substitute these two values here in the formula. So x1 is 1 and x2 is 7 upon 2. So 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 upon 2 is equal to 4. So it means the value of x is 4. Now to find y, it's minus 3 and plus 2 upon 2. So when we subtract it, it will be minus 1 upon 2. So y is minus 1 upon 2. So the value of x is 4. And the value of y is minus 1 upon 2. Now in the second part they are saying find the gradient of the line PQ. So to find gradient, we will use the formula of gradient. So the formula of gradient is m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So here, as we have supposed that this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2, now let's substitute the values. So y2 is 2 minus y1 value is minus 3. So we will keep it inside the bracket. So we will open this bracket with this negative sign. Now it's x2 minus x1. So here we have 2 minus minus plus 3 upon 7 minus 1 is 6. So it will be 5 upon 6. As the numerator is lesser than the denominator, so we will leave answer here. So the answer of gradient is 5 upon 6. Now let's see its next part. According to the next part, the line L with equation 2x minus 5y is equal to k passes through the point Q. Find the value of k. So let's see what are the coordinates of Q. So according to the question, the coordinates of Q are 7, 2. Now the coordinates of Q is 7, 2, and we will consider this as xy. When we substitute this coordinate in the given equation 2x minus 5y is equal to k, we will get the value of k. Now let's substitute the value. So 2, value of x is 7 minus 5, value of y is 2 is equal to k. Now 2 times 7 is 14 minus 5 times 2 is 10 is equal to k. So when we subtract it, 14 minus 10 is equal to 4. So it means the value of k is 4. Now let's see its next part and the last part also. Here they are saying the line x plus ay is equal to 3 is parallel to line L. Find the value of a. So as we know that the general form of linear equation is y is equal to mx plus c. Now in this equation, m is gradient and c is y-intercept. So here, as they are saying that find the value of a, and the line x plus ay is equal to 3 is parallel to line L. So if we convert this given equation in terms of y is equal to mx plus c, and similarly if we convert the equation of L into y is equal to mx plus c, okay, then when we solve these two equations and equate and find the value of m from both, then we will get the value of a. So here the given equation is x plus ay is equal to 3. Now if we convert this equation in terms of y is equal to mx plus c, first we will shift x on the right hand side, so it will be minus x plus 3, and then when we shift a on the right hand side, it will be minus 1 upon ax and plus 3 upon a. So a will be in both denominators. And similarly, the equation of L is, in the last part we had the equation of L, okay, see the line L with equation 2x minus 5y is equal to k. Now if we take this equation, we have 2x minus 5y is equal to k, and now we have got the value of k also in the last part, so it was 4. Now we will convert this equation also in the form y is equal to mx plus c. So let's see, if we keep y positive, so it will be 2x minus 4 is equal to 5y. Now when we shift this 5 on the left hand side, so it will be 2 upon 5x minus 4 upon 5, so it's equal to y. Now as we know that these two lines are parallel given here, the line x plus ay is equal to 3 is parallel to line L. Here we have the equation of line L. Now both equations are in the form y is equal to mx plus c. Now if we take the value of m from both equations, so the coefficient of x is the value of m. So let's see, here the coefficient of x is minus 1 upon a, and here the coefficient of x is 2 upon 5. Now if we equate these two and keep these two equal, as these two lines are parallel, so it will be 2 upon 5. Now if we cross multiply this, it will be minus 5 upon 2 is equal to a. Remember, we never leave answer when the numerator is greater than the denominator. We always convert this into either a mixed fraction or in decimal. So if we write this one in decimal, it will be 2.5, and if we convert this into mixed fraction, it will be 2 whole 1 upon 2. So we can write that this is minus 2 whole 1 upon 2 or minus 2.5. So here we will write an answer minus 2 whole 1 upon 2 or 2.5, minus 2.5. Okay, I hope you have understood this question. Thank you.